Garage Automotive. Subscribe now.
After authoritatively uncovering the creation adaptation of the new Urus a month ago, Lamborghini pulled the sheets off the super SUV on Monday night at a private occasion at the Exhibition Hall of Contemporary Craftsmanship here in Detroit to give both North American media and clients of the brand their first take a gander at the vehicle and the metal. It's the first run-through the Italian carmaker has had a nearness in the engine city amid the Detroit Automobile Expo for a long while, maybe an indication of the significance put on this model. The Unified States is Lamborghini's biggest market, and the organization expects almost 33% of its Urus generation is bound to cross the Atlantic. On the off chance that all goes to design, the recently renovated Sant Agata Bolognese industrial facility will have multiplied its generation yield around this time 1 year from now. We will have an entire 8 months. Previously we begin to perceive how well Lamborghini can persuade purchasers to compose checks, as the organization discloses to us the main conveyances will begin in September. With a beginning cost of $200,000, the Urus will have just a modest bunch of contenders. To be specific, the Bentley and maybe an exceptionally very much option Porsche Cayenne Turbo or Land Meander or Range Wanderer SV autobiography. However, it now looks certain a Ferrari SUV is coming. In any case, Lamborghini keeps up that the Urus will be in its very own class with its unrivaled full weight proportion and best speed of 189 miles per hour.